my name is Erica and I'm back with the Paper Issues design team today for Scraplift Sunday, and I will be lifting Cassie W's beautiful page here with her askew layer. And I did have a photo left over from Kiddo's 1-year fall photo shoot. There is this gorgeously vibrant yellow fall tree just in the background, and I do have some Simple Stories Cozy Day, and you guys, this yellow gingham matches it perfectly. I do end up bringing in some black cardstock just because I didn't want to overwhelm the yellow, and if my friend Wendy has taught me anything, is that everybody could use a little bit of black in their lives. So I trimmed it down a little bit to put on the yellow gingham, and I think instead of one askew layer, I'm going to do two. That blue polka dot and that pink peachish color. So once I have those, I am zigzag stitching just the edges, and I ran into a bit of a problem because my bottom bobbin went out, and if anyone sews here, they know how much of a pain in the butt it is. So we're just waiting. And we're back. So I have my wonky layers. I'm going to tilt them a little bit offset so you can still see a bit of the blue. My dress is blue, so again, I didn't want to overpower that. Cutting out this 3x4 journal card, as well as some of these cute flowers. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna fussy blade a lot of these cute flowers. And I am going to actually also fussy blade a cute little fox that you'll see here in a second. I am taking some notebook paper, doing my beloved hack where I'm just taking a hole punch and punching through, and taking my sharpened scissors and cutting through the holes to give it a notebook paper appearance, as I do not have a notebook paper punch. So I'm just layering some thicker stickers here. It's going to read Blessed and Grateful. It's a very average title, but I really liked how it looked, so there we go. I added the little fox because everything is very angular right now, so I wanted to quite literally round things out. So I'm tucking in the flowers here just on the right border to provide a little bit of balance and mirror off and play off of that journal card as well. I did lift some of them with foam adhesive because I'm obsessed. Now for the journaling, I really wanted to type it up on my typewriter, but you guys, it was really late and I did not want to risk waking up the kiddo or the puppies or the older dog or my husband, and you catch my drift. So I just hand wrote it and I trimmed it down, and I felt it actually kind of matched the title thicker in the cursive style. So that is pretty much it. If you made it this far into the video, thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment, say hello if I haven't heard from you in a bit, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!